Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, I'm back again with another video, my people. My people, I don't know, so when I come out, I come with the real news, Real news around here. So guess what I want to know for do? I want to press like, I want to share, I want to subscribe, and I want to press the notification bell and click all. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atafa the Press. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. But I don't know, so me have to big up my good up subscribers, them. So today I'm going to big up Yvonne Johnson, Fastin Thompson, Lawrence Mullins, and Sharon Moulton. Big up with a nice clean self, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. Guys, if you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Write I subscribe in the comment section. Watch my video for more than 5 minutes and you will definitely get a shout out. Anyway, my people, on no need to hear this, cause this one here more than bangarang. Senior Jamaica Labour Party member Tom Tavares Finson has told dozens of party supporters that Andrew Holness is the best prime minister in the history of Jamaica. A prime minister was born in Jamaica, him father Barnia. He just said at a party meeting underway in St. Anne's Northeast. The political rally is the formal crowning of Senator Matthew Samuda as the ruling party's standard bearer for the constituency, which is currently represented in Parliament by Junior. Alright, my people. The reason why I want to show on this, if you watch my video yesterday, I talk about the 3 persons that is a part of the lawmakers who remember. And you see this man that is talking, Tom Tavares Finson, this man is the senator and he's a Jamaica Labour Party. When I hear what I say, he support the Jamaica Labour Party and he's the senator. So you have the Governor General. He most likely also to celebrate the Jamaica Labour Party. And you have definitely, when I'm sure of, Tom Tavares Finson, the senator, support the Labour Party. And then you have Juliet Holness, the House of Representatives, support the Labour Party. Some people wanna say when me try show us say we in a trouble. So this man, which is the senator, this man, he said Holness is the best prime minister in Jamaica history. This is what the man say. So me showing right now say we in a trouble. We in a big trouble, my people. When I hear what me I say, my people, we in a trouble because if this man, remember, I 3 top for the parliament, and them are part of the lawmakers, them are the part of the lawmakers, them are part of the lawmakers that make the law in a Jamaica. We can change the legislation, that can amend the legislation. I talk about this in my video yesterday, and look how me talk about the man yesterday in my video, and now we come out in the paper that this man is saying that support the Jamaica Labour Party, is saying that Andrew Holness is the best prime minister. So no, say we in a trouble. We in a big blouse and skirt trouble. This is why me I say we have to go protest to remove Juliet Holness, because you have Juliet Holness to support Labour Party. You have Senator. You know fear. You have all of them. They don't support the Labour Party. None of them not supposed to support no party. Wanna tell me wanna take me people. They mess up me and right. This a man here come like in licking head. 2 corner, 15 sides. About Andrew Holness are the best prime minister in our history. Hey, I step your fear, step down too. My people not hear what go on. My viewers and subscribers, this is why me as Satono say we have to get out Juliet Holness, because you can't have three person we are support the Labour Party around the country and the lawmakers. That is a part of the lawmaking. No, we cannot have that. This is why me open on the eyes so you see what I want because you don't know what I want. You understand? So me show you. So you see. Me I teach you something. This is what the man said. The man said Andrew Holness are the best prime minister. So right now all him figure resign. Because if him a look out of him, yeah. And if him a look out of him, yeah. And I say Andrew Holness is the best prime minister. The whole of them are part of the system. The whole of them are the blouse and skirts same and they don't care about Jamaican people and they don't love Jamaican people. They only come out and talk about they care, but they don't care. Because this a man here utter those words out of him mouth. I say Andrew are the best prime minister. Him not care about we either. And him at the senator, you know. You know so the man I usually step in like when the madam speaker is not there. This I'm bridging, you know, always stepping, you know, the senator, you know. I never know so the senator was a part of a party. I never know. I thought it was independent. Even the House of Representatives should be independent. It shouldn't be nobody come from no party. So you have the senator, Juliet Holness, a part of the labor right, and you have Governor General too, because I'm sure he's a part of the labor right also. But people, this not look good. You understand? This not look good. This is not right. Right, this something I show you say there is no say. So anything Juliet Holness come up or anything them put to the Governor General, he might go agree. He's going to agree. You understand? He might go agree with people. So don't tell me what to think about this. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. You don't have to agree with me. I would like to hear your views, alright? Anyway, I want to need to hear that one here. Kingston Mayor Delroy Williams has asserted that requests from Jamaicans to remove street vendors from the downtown area will not be accepted. Mayor Williams said the government will continue to look out for street vendors once they comply with public safety regulations. Now, my people, wanna tell me if them people have sense now. Whosoever a request the vendors them off the streets. Uno really have sense? What uno for request for, uno not request for. Guys, what them for request for, they not request for. This is why I have to come out and blast some of them, you know. Because how uno mean now if you tell me, say, uno request to take vendors off a street? I wonder there. Vendors are for their street. I want them to know people have to hustle and people have to make a living. So nobody with them foolishness there. I'm glad how the mayor said no. And that enough ask for, enough request for Juliet Holness step down. Removal for that enough ask for. Me say the things one of protest about, not protest about. The things them one of request for, not request for. I don't know, no matter how we come and I explain to you and I show you. I show you the levels and you see for yourself out and you still not do that. You come now and bring this foolishness to the man. Look how much things to deal with. Juliet Holness need to step down because she's a conflict of interest. You cannot have husband and wife around the country. You cannot. You understand? No, me just a find out, as I said before, Senator support the Labour Party and him say Andrew Holness are the best prime minister. These things wrong. These are the things. On a request for the removal of the senator, on a request the removal of Juliet Holness. You understand? These are the things on a request for. Ask for independent senator and an independent House of Representative. Me can't believe so not tell a man about street. What do you know? No for no mother and father hustle on the street, a vendor on the street for send no go to school. I want to know no for bill. I have sense. Come like I don't have no blouse and skirt sense. One of the ask about and I ask about. Me say this I get me irritable, you know, my people. You tell me one thing there. How no fear request for vendors to come off a street? I want them to know. I request for the removal of Juliet Holness from being a Madam Speaker. And that I go do. And request for Andrew Holness for resign. And them something they no go do. I can't believe. You like for waste time me. You know say the country not run good. You like time waster. Hey, my people, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Put on honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big warm welcome to my good up viewers and my good up subscribers. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.